Hello friends, welcome to Tricks Guru. And now we are going to make our videos worldwide. Today's we are going to show you how to install processor fans into Central Processing Unit. For a central processing unit or processor to maintain a safe operating temperature, it needs a CPU fan. When properly installed, a CPU fan stays in constant contact with the CPU's metal plate, so all the heat generated by the CPU is transferred to it. To install a CPU fan, you need thermal paste and, if the fan came with a back support plate, access to back of your motherboard. Once you installed the processor fan into CPU, it will help to keep your computer running cool. So let's get started to install processor fan into CPU. Step by steps. Step 1. Install the CPU. Pull back the lever currently secured over the CPU slot, so the slot is fully exposed. Carefully set your CPU into the slot, making sure the notch at the top of the CPU matches up with the nub sticking out at the top of the slot. Pull the lever back down to secure CPU in place. Step 2. Squeeze a small amount of thermal paste, slightly smaller than pea-sized will do, in the very center of the CPU's metallic backside. Leave it in its pea-shaped form, do not attempt to spread it around the surface. Step 3. Position your CPU fan over the backside of the CPU and line up the 4 corner contact points with the holes in the motherboard. Insert the contact points into the holes in the motherboard and secure them down with your CPU fan's default connection method. They might click in place or secure with screws. The metallic contact point on your CPU fan will now make contact with the metallic surface of your CPU and the thermal paste will spread to cover the contact area. Step 4. Plug the CPU fan's power cable into the CPU power connector on your motherboard. It will be labeled CPU power or something similar. Finish assembling your computer and turn it on when ready. Your CPU and CPU fan are now ready for use. Thanks for watching this video friends. If you like this video, then like it, share it with your friends and family members, and also subscribe this channel.